How to convert a Facebook profile to a business page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn a Facebook profile into a business page. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook. After you've opened up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you'll need to do is head over to the menu section that is on the bottom right corner of your Facebook. Tap on menu and now you should see your name and profile. Tap on your name to enter your profile. After you're on your profile, you should see the add to your story, edit profile and the three dots right below your name. Now after you're there, you'll need to tap on the three dots. Tap on the three dots that is right besides edit profile. And after you're on the profile settings, scroll down till you find an option called turn on professional mode. So tap on it and tap on turn on. After you've turned on your professional mode, you're basically on your business page now. Now, as you can see right here, you need to make your default audience public. And after you've done that, tap on confirm. And also try and go to your settings to make all of your settings public. Now that will allow you to interact with a wider range of audience. And after you've gone through all of this, tap on go to professional dashboard. And now this is your professional dashboard. Now you can head back to your page right here. And you should see a setting called professional dashboard appear after a few times. And that is how you turn your Facebook profile to a business page. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.